Hi everybody, how to calculate this area, this total area. This 4 meter, this 5 meter, and this under radical 74 meter, and this 7 meter. So let's construct, it is area 1. Let's say this is area 1, and here is area 2, and here is also area 3. Area 3. So these 3 areas. So from this area 1, let this value x how much, and if it is 5, this also 5 meter, and if it's 4 meter, and this is also 4 meter, and so this value is not known, so this is y how much. Okay, here is area 1. From this area 1, this x square, this right angle triangle. So this right angle triangle is x square plus this 7 square, 7 meter square, which is equal to this the radical 74 meter square. So this x square, which is equal to this the radical 74 meter square minus this 7 meter square. So this become x square is equal to this 74 meter square minus 49 meter square. This x square is equal to 25 meter square. So x is equal to under radical 25 meter square become x is equal to 5 meter. So x become equal to 5 meter. Based on this, area 1 is equal to half of base times h. Base means that x is equal to 5 meter, and h is equal to 7 meter from this. So area 1 is equal to half of times base is 5 meter times h is 7 meter. Area 1 is equal to 35 over 2. Area 1, which is equal to 17.5 meter square. So this is area 1. I'm using Pythagorean theorem. This 4 meter square times this y square. So 4 meter square plus this y square, which is equal to this 5 meter square. Using the Pythagoras and this right angle triangle, y square which is equal to 5 meter square minus 4 meter square. So y square is equal to 25 square minus 16 square which is equal to 9 meter square. Y is equal to under radical 9 meter square. So this y value is equal to 3 meter. Is equal to 3 meter. Therefore, area 2 become area 2 which is equal to half base times h. So which is equal to half of times base 3 meter and h is 4 meter become 12 meter square over 2 become 6 meter square. So this area 2 is 6 meter square. Area 3 is 5 meter and this is 4 meter. This is a rectangle. So area 3 which equals to length times width. So 5 meter, 4 meter. So rectangle. Area 3 20 meter square. Total area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. In total, which is equal to area 1 is 17.5 meter square plus area 2 6 meter square plus area 320 meter square. So this total area